Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Alan, and today I would want to show you how to create your own website and then how to let AI agents maintain it, update it, and take care of your own website. So create it once and then just supervise the agents, and the agents will take care of it, will maintain it. And this is what I call it agentic website, the website for the future. Right now here, this is my portfolio. This is not the project, it's just like the portfolio, the project inside of it. It's AI museum. Right now, I started with experimentation, just seeing the years moving around with the models, what happened. Then the idea got really interesting, and then I wanted to continue with it. So let's check it. This is AI Museum, and actually it's like somehow a walkthrough for the last 8 years of what are the different era in each year, what are the element that has been created, what are the model that has been done, and then at the end you'll have the pioneers who helped in creating it, and then you have the what we call it the artifacts, and these are the paperwork, the research, the data set that was very critical in the work, and then at the end we have the horizon, which is talking about the future, what could come out of it. The most interesting thing for sure is that each element is documented. It's an article by itself with documentation, with citation, and all of it, and this is the most interesting part, all of it, everything you see here has been taken care by the agents, created by the agents, and maintained by the agents. And for today's video, I'd like to show you that actually how will we right now we only have till 2025. This is a challenge. Right now, 2026 hasn't ended. Nevertheless, I'd like to update it. And today, I would show you how you just let the agent, the information that you want to update it, just let them know I would like to update it. I want to add a new era. I want to add more in 2026, and let's see what's going to happen. So right now, enough from the website. Let's go to the code. So here is the code. Here is VS Code. I use VS Code, and I use Claude there as a plugin, but like then whenever you have it as a plugin, you can have it as a terminal as well. For today's session, I just want to show you how I use it as a plugin, because I have it here, I have Codex here, so I use multiple agents. For today, I'm going to concentrate only on the Claude code. This is the project. We have the assets. It has like templates, has the writings, because like I have my articles inside. Here the front end, which we deployed with Versal, and here are the scripts, which taking care of filling the pioneers, the milestone, the artifacts, and this is what we're going to use today. This is important for you to understand this. Right now, we will just try to identify where are we right now. So I'm using GitHub. This is a GitHub desktop and Git. So I just keep track of everything. And right now, let's see if this project is connected there. Hi there, are you connected to GitHub, desktop, or Git? And if yes, in which repository and which branch are you right now? Let's see the answer. So yes, I'm working locally. Git repository is the current state. Repository is my repository, and the current branch is adjusting the UI UX to run the local host. Right now, this is everything you have seen before. So this is my real website under alansalomon.ai. This is the AI museum, but right now we are testing, we are developing, and that's why we will be doing stuff locally. And locally, to test it, you need to run this command here. You can ask as well Claude to give it to you. I already have it from a different session. Just like to confirm for you. Hey Claude, what is the command that I need to run so I can run this project locally? And it will just let you know. So this is important. You don't need right now to. It will let you exactly know. Okay, you need to run this, and then need to run this, and then that's it. Totally, that's it. So right now, already done that, and you need to go to this local host. So this is a local host. And yes, this is exactly the same command. And let's run it. This is the local host. Let's copy it. And let's just go back to the browser and let's try it. So this is a local host. Great. So what you see right now, you have the real website, my real website, and you'll have my local version of it. Is there any difference? For sure. AI Museum version 2. A different UI, a different aspect of how would you navigate through it. It has a different taste for it. It had the era here. It's easier to navigate, go to different era. And this is exactly what I wanted to show. Here I have 2026, while here in my first version, if I go to the AI museum, I only have till 2025. So right now, with the changes I created, I asked the coding agents to just add a new era, and it actually decided to call it the Agentic Era, which is we are right now in the Agentic Era. And it went and introduced these elements, and actually it did more than that. It actually filled them. So it actually filled each element and created this nice interface and created even some sources and added the links for the sources. This is so powerful. I couldn't believe it. Created by itself the graph and made everything that, and made sure that all the fonts are and all the colors are exactly the same as we have in this new version. And right now, if I go to the gallery, you see right now, let me take you see, this is all the same implementation. This is the Agentic Era. All the era has been created and all the era has been documented and choosing different graphs for each era. And right now, let's, for example, here you can go and go further to the next one. And then you go further to the next one. Everything has been created. Everything has been created. All the links has been taken care of the agent. This is the power of what's happening right now. And right now, if we go to the timeline, it has created a different approach of how to move through it. And this is very interesting. And that's why it's very interesting, because right now we were going to do an experiment. And the experiment is to show you that right now, the museum version 1 doesn't have right now these new 2026. So let's check if it can do it for us. Hi there, we created for the museum version 2, the era, which is for 2026. You can check it. We just created recently, but we don't have it on the museum version 1. Can you replicate it to the museum version 1, but adjust it to fit the elements and the UI and how the museum version 1 is actually created? So, but before you do that, go to plan mode so we can check your plan and discuss it if there's any need for that. If you have any questions, let me know. This is very powerful. Here the prompt, as you can see, I always talk with it. I use a tool to transform voice into text. Very powerful in the prompt. And right now, let me minimize the prompt. We have a better view. Let's go here. And right now, it's actually checking what's happening. Yes, it's doing that. Enter plan mode, it went there. Exactly, museum version 1 structure, explore version 2 era, perfect. It's doing that. Yes, and it went to reading and trying to understand more and more. This is very powerful. It was actually able to see it. You see, this is the alpha evolve page from the, okay, nice. Let's see what it's saying. Yes, allow this bash command, which is what exactly? Find document. Yes, allow it. Yes, allow. I just want to find the documents for this project. It's all right. Let's give it access to it. It's reading the milestones, trying to understand exactly what's happening here. And yeah, let's see. Actually, it's a bit always interesting and very exciting to see it, how it's like thinking, how it's doing the stuff. So sometimes you just like you wonder, like, is it gonna like make any mistake? The good thing about it, when it goes to plan mode, it doesn't do any changes. It just do whatever it needs to be doing, and then it goes to plan, and then it shows you the plan, and then this plan that you can check it. This is very powerful, because at that moment you will be able to check the plan, and then at that moment you will be able to make sure that this plan is actually exactly what you want. And then you can approve it, you can discuss it, you can say, no, I don't want it. So a lot of times I said, no, stop, don't do this plan. This is not what I want. And then I adjusted it, I made it better. Yeah, let's see. It's trying its best to get to what it needs to be doing. Right now, let's meanwhile take this to explain a little bit about what's happening here. And so there's the scripts, and you see like each one of them is responsible. It's like responsible for a specific entity of creating the stuff. And it's a huge prompt, but this is exactly how we do it. And it's update the script, and it takes from it what it needs to run it and then make the changes. A lot of stuff happening here. So let's see how much time is going to take more. Yes, nice. So it gave the plan. You accept this plan. This is the plan. You see, it opened the plan as a side. So here we have the plan opened. So we need to check it. It's very important to check the plan, by the way. You need to make sure museum has a 5th era, the agentic era. This is exactly, yes, 5 milestones already exist, no changes needed. Nice. Changes required for the front end components, yes. Also adjust era for max is already front end. Why this is sufficient verification. Perfect, yes. And auto accept. Great. Right now it's doing what it needs to do. Let's close this. Yes, good, great. Right now it's doing the changes, implementing the plan, and let's see. I'm very excited about it. I actually sometimes you say, okay, it will make some errors. Let's see if it's gonna make some errors or it's gonna go with the plan. You know, you see all these like interesting words like about it thinking. It's just like sometimes just fun to watch. Allow this command to yes. So right now I just want to check it itself. Let's allow it once to see. Yeah, nice. It's like, see, it's screenshotting the page itself to double check if everything's good. Allow this bash command with Playwright. Nice. So it wanna confirm by itself using Playwright. So I installed it, and what it's doing is like opening it aside, taking big screenshots, and verifying itself. So if there's any issue, it will go down and adjust it. Yes. Nice. That's exactly what I wanted to show you. Nice. Good results. Okay, has been confirmed. It's saying that. And now allow reading from museum. Okay, nice. So what it's doing, it's actually taking pictures itself, and it's actually reading these pictures, these screenshots, after it took them and downloaded them. Wow, nice findings. So it looks like we have a lot of stuff which has happened in a good way. At the same time, we have this propped AI museum alpha evolve pass implicitly using existing milestone, same dynamic role. Okay, findings done. 2 files changed. Okay, all right. Now what we need to do is just to go to this section, go to this is the local one. We go to the AI museum and let's check it. Actually, this is the first time I try it. I don't know what's gonna happen. Let's go to the Agentic Era. It's here. Okay, great. Nice. I see it. The Agentic Era exists. It added it here as well. Okay, nice. The links has been added. Everything is specifically to what the UI exists itself. Let's go. Okay, nice. This is the same schema, and it added the source. Nice, great. This is what I wanted to show you, how right now this website is actually maintained and created by AI agents. So thank you a lot for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, let me know. Write in the comments. Please like and subscribe. That will mean the world for me. I know that I'm delivering something useful for you. And yeah, so write me on the comments as well if you have any feedback, if you have any other projects you'd like me to show you. And have a good day, and see you next time.